Hey, my name is Jay and I'm a day trader living in Dubai, but I trade in the US stock market. So the US stock market in Dubai opens at 6:30 p.m. It's actually going to change next week. It's going to be 5:30 p.m. because of daylight savings. Glad I remembered. But yeah, I'm making this video in advance because it's 6th of March and it's 5:07 p.m. I posted a day in the life video on Monday. Go and watch that video after this video if you haven't watched it already. But I gained a lot of new subscribers from that video. In that video, you can see that on Monday, I lost 9.5k. On Tuesday, I made 9.6k. On Wednesday, I lost $1,000 again. But today I feel like market is going to be good. That's the importance of being a day trader, knowing when to be defensive and when to push it. And today, because the market has been consolidating for the past 2-3 days, the price action has been choppy. Today I feel like we're going to get a good breakdown or breakout towards the upside, and that's why I'm recording this video in advance. The market is not even open yet. It opens after 1 hour 20 minutes, but I'm recording this video because I'm going to show you guys the process, because today feels like it's a day to be aggressive. Let's head into my office and see that my setup is not even on. Usually I start my pre-market prep around 5 p.m. but today, because I'm recording this video, is actually exactly 5:10 p.m. So I'm 10 minutes late, but let's start this up and look at the stocks I'm going to be watching for the day. Alexa, studio on. Yeah, the lighting must be much better now. So yeah, just starting up, and today I feel like Tesla can have a good breakdown. And that's why I was saying that the market has been consolidating for the past 2-3 days. And today I feel like we might actually get a good breakdown. If we sell off, I like the setup better than if we push towards the upside, but we are at major support as well. So we might as well push towards the upside. But if we break down, that is kind of the playbook setup I'm looking forward to trading for the day, and I want to be aggressive with that setup. I will actually show you why do I feel like going a bit aggressive today. So Tesla specifically, Tesla has been holding this trend line since April 2024. We can see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch and 4 touch. It's been making higher lows on the 1-day chart. And a few days ago, day before yesterday, it tested that trend line, found support right here. We had a doji on that day with high volume. That is important looking at the volume analysis. That means this might actually be a reversal bar. But then what happened yesterday, the following day, we just had a small green candle with low volume, even though the market pushed up. We can see that SPY had a nice push towards the upside, but Tesla did not push up. So had this been a reversal bar and buyers wanted to take the stock towards the upside, we should have seen a good breakout towards the upside yesterday, especially provided that the market also pushed up towards the end of the day. That did not happen with this stock. And that's why I feel like if we lose the yesterday's low, 267, 268, we might sell off all the way to 255. If you guys ask me, why 255? Because we have a gap fill play right here. After the elections, we had a gap up on this stock because Trump won the elections. Elon Musk is a good friend of Trump. And then we had a rally towards the upside. We tried to fill the gap 2 days ago, but the low of the day 2 days ago is 261.84. We still have a gap from 261 approximately to 255 right here. And after that, we have another gap that was after the earnings from 240 all the way down to 217, 218. But as a day trader, I don't care about this gap for now. I just care about that if we get a sell-off under 268, 270, and especially if this stock shows some relative weakness compared to SPY and QQQ, we might go all the way down to 255, which makes it a good risk to reward trade. We have a special appearance. You guys know, if you guys watched my day in the life video, who is she? Her name is, I won't say her name. You guys need to let me know her name in the comment section below, because I actually forgot her name. Let me know in the comment section below what's her name. Yeah, she's bored. Yeah, she's off. But yeah, I actually am going to be watching Marvel as well. So MRVL, this stock is gapping down a lot. I don't know, like, why do I wear socks? Because I lived in Australia for 7-8 years. It used to be really cold there. I just am in a habit of wearing socks, even though in Dubai, it's pretty hot. And it's going to get hot even in like 45, 48 degrees Celsius in peak summers. I still wear socks. I just feel like I'm naked. I'm incomplete without socks. So yeah, Marvel is actually gapping down. We have a nice hourly level from 76. So we might actually drop on Marvel as well. It's already gapping down 18% for the day in the pre-market. And then we have Tesla, obviously, which I'm watching for a break under 270. I will actually show you guys my platforms. It's around 8:53 a.m., exactly 8:53 a.m. You guys can see right here, 8:53 a.m. We have a pre-market webinar for the Discord members at 9 a.m. in 6 minutes now approximately. but I'm going to show you guys my setup, my platforms, right? So this is the bookmap that I use for the market DNA strategy I talked about in my 100K strategy video. I'm going to make sure to link that video in the description box below. So I use price action along with the market depth, which is what I call the market DNA strategy. And then this is the price action, the level 2. So this level 2 time and sales bookmap is an advanced version of level 2, which shows me where the actual big orders are sitting. So I use combination. These are the two main stocks I can focus on for the day. This is the main stock, one minute chart, 5 minute chart daily, and the 60 minutes. SPY, like 1 and the 5 minutes, I'm going to change SPY to something else because I don't trade SPY often. Sometimes I do. And then these are the stocks I'm watching for the day: Tesla, Nvidia, Marvel. And I just put PLTR there because I can watch like 4 stocks. I have the 1 and the 5 minute chart for each of those stocks. And then I have TradingView on the side. So the stock I'm actually trading, I'm going to open the TradingView platform because I actually use TradingView to chart on my iPad and my iPhone. So it's better to have that open as well, just so that I'm aware of the levels. For example, like Tesla, I showed you that we are holding that trend line. I don't have that trend line on Dash Trader Pro. This is the platform mainly to look for the level 2 and the time and sales. That's why I just use the charts or the 1 and the 5 minute chart, but the higher time frame game plan, the higher time frame thesis is basically based on the TradingView software right there. Hey guys, so it's 9:25 a.m. now, and you can see right here 9:25 a.m. I'm going to be watching Tesla and Marvel off the open, also watching Nvidia. But I'm actually going to turn on the screen recording on my OBS software so you guys can see me right there. I'm going to stop this. Hopefully it doesn't lag my laptop. So usually when I turn on OBS screen recording, it lags my Dash Trader Pro. So if it doesn't lag, I'm going to keep this rolling so that you guys can actually see me live trading. If not, I will just have to do a recap for you guys after I'm done with trading. So yeah, good luck to me, and I'm going to see you guys soon. Yeah, Tesla, I like QQQ is dropping, but Tesla is not selling off. 268 is major, so that's where I was looking for the breakdown under 268. 265 will be my first profit target. Let's see. Thing is that QQQ was dropping, but Tesla was not dropping that aggressively. But now we are actually under, we made a new 1 hour low right here, so I like it. There's no reason to take partials right here. But yeah, that's the bounces are pretty crazy on this. I might lock in a bit of my position. I have 150. Let's see how we close on this 1 minute chart. If I don't have any reason to exit, I'm going to be really mad if I exit now. So I want to hold my winners on this one. Yeah, no reason to exit. I'm going to start locking in slowly and steadily. If I see anything on the tape, yeah, I'm going to lock in like 20 contracts. Out of 150 I took, you guys must be able to see it. I don't have time to check OBS, but you guys must be able to see my positions. Yeah, I took 20 contracts out, holding 130. Let's see. Yeah, this looks bad. I don't want it to close above 280, this 5 minute chart. That's the thing. Let's see, is it just a retest or 260? Yeah, the tape looks weak for now. The market is also near major support, 575 on SPY. Yeah, another low of the day. So people who missed out on the initial push down, they are going to enter right here. So let's see if they get faked out, we might actually see aggressive push towards the upside, and I'm going to exit. And if these traders are able to push it down further, it's good for me because my entry is actually really good. Yeah, I'm going to risk this one. Because it's a higher time frame setup. So makes sense too. Especially if it closes under 268 on the 5 minute chart. We're about to close the 5 minutes in the next 20 seconds. Let's see. Come on. I don't like this uncertainty near 267. Come on, make a new low of the day. All these chases are going to help push the price down. People who missed out on the initial push down. What the fuck is happening near this 267? Come on, drop. Okay, we make a new low of the day. Nice one. Loved it. Love this one. Yeah, my goal is to be slow with my partials. Usually I take like 50% out, but this time I'm still holding more than 66% of my position. I think I'm going to lock 15 more out. I have 100 contracts now. So 265 was my profit target, and then after that we have 255. Yeah, nice one. If we lose 265, it's going for 255. I mean, I don't know, 255 is like still 10 points away, but we have the 2 days ago low, which is right under 262. I actually mentioned this exact thing in the Discord group as well, that I'm excited. I'm going to show you guys that I'm excited for this Tesla trade. And man, this was beautiful. And I even recorded a video at 5 p.m. 1 hour 30 minutes before the market opened up, and this is the exact opportunity I was looking to trade. I don't want to get stuck in a harsh pullback before 265. That's the thing. If we just flush under 265, that's going to be like, it's going to pump the premiums, and the premiums are going to nicely up. But if you don't do that, I don't want to get stuck in a pullback all the way to 268, because that's going to drop the premiums a lot, because the next key level is near 268. I'm going to lock a bit more. Yeah, I have 70 contracts now, which is approximately 50% position now. I'm going to hold this 50% position now. If I have no reason to exit now, it's like 50% locked in, 50% holding. But yeah, the small green candle is kind of good for the price action, especially if this is on low volume. Yes, it's on low volume. Yeah, this is good. Red candles, high volume, green candles, low volume. Use the volume analysis. Just looks like a pullback for now. But yeah, I have a strong feeling from this stock. It's holding weaker than the market. If QQQ rejects, this stock is going to go to shit. Might even see a dump towards to like 260 in 10 minutes. I have a good entry. So the thing is, I won't be taking any more entries because my first entry is really good. So I don't want to mess around with my average fill price. Even though 260 puts, they did not move a lot from my entry is 3.8, I think, to 4.6, 4.8 maximum. My exit did not move a lot, which is okay. But yeah, let's see. It's about, the 5 minutes is about to close, and this looks like it's going to close like a doji. No. Don't tell me Tesla won't go for 260 today. Yeah, we did not close. I don't think so. We are going to close above 267 on this 5 minutes. But the fact is that I don't want it to close like this. Okay, it's getting better towards the close. It's getting better. Yeah, nice one. Okay, so we did not close that bullish. Nice one. Nice hold. Come on. You can do it. Okay, yeah, the volume is increasing. Buyers are trying really hard because the buyers know if it drops under 265, it's going to be bloodbath for them. So they're going to try really hard. But now we want the sellers to be stronger than the buyers. If not, we might just freaking get a fake out and push towards the upside. Yeah, 267. Nope, no. Shit. Yeah, looks like it was a fake. Premiums came back to break even. What the hell? Let's see if we reclaim, like, this is the major level, which is yesterday's low actually. So yeah, if we reject from here, the game plan is still valid. But this is a pretty strong green candle. We are rejecting from 268. Even though the buyers took it above 268, there was no buying above 268. You know what I mean, right? It broke 268, but there was no clean buying above 268. See, it's freaking like, I told you guys, it's going to be crazy shit going on right here. Buyers are going to try their best to hold it above 265. Sellers are going to try their best to hold it under 268. So I have my market order ready. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to get the fuck out. Because this is some wild shit going on. It's the first time I'm trying this, guys. If you like, give me a like this video, share with your trading friends, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys like these kind of raw videos, just recording my trading session, I'm going to make more of these, but I need motivation. If you guys like it, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, see, fight is going on. It's like 50-50%, guys. Like anything, like it's like roulette table at the moment. But the thing is that the risk to reward is still in my favor, because if we drop under 265 with a lot of uncertainty, people who are buying, they're gonna exit the fuck out. So the flush, it's worth risk to reward. So I'm just thinking in terms of risk to reward. Is the reward worth the risk I am putting right now? Especially it being a green trade. So I don't know my PNL, most likely like $5,000 or something. I don't know. The premiums did not move a lot, honestly. From 270 to 265, premiums only moved 30% approximately, which is not too good. But yeah, under 265, as soon as the panic increases, that's the thing about options. The premiums are going to skyrocket. So we need that 265. The 5 minutes looks pretty bearish. Look at the 5 minute chart. This patience was worth it. All recorded. Let's see. Don't. Come on. Fuck you, bulls. Fuck you. Seriously, fuck you. Come on. Yep. We got this. We got this on camera. We got this live. We got this live. We got this live. We got this live, guys. Amazing trade. Now the thing is, like, we just broke down. So if I see hold of this, like if I feel like this is a fake out, I'm going to exit. But for now, this is the time to hold because we actually got the breakdown. Because sometimes you just exit right here, but it's not worth it. Like we actually got the breakdown, the volume increased. So you have no reason to exit right now. Like when people are selling, you want to exit, just wait for some consolidation or something, right? So I'm going to be very slow with my profits again. If we stall on the tape, like we did right around 264.7, I'm going to start locking in. If you don't stall and if you just sell off, I'm going to keep holding. Yeah, the tape is wild, guys. wild. Seeing this kind of tape after a very long time on this stock. I mean, after 3 days, not very long time. When we sold off like this on the daily chart, the tape was also similar. The thing is, like right around here, there were only sellers and sellers. Like, yes, for every buyer, there's a seller. For every seller, there's a buyer. But there were a lot more sellers compared to the buyers. That's why the stock pushed down. But today, feels like it's almost the equal yet. The panic still hasn't kicked in. I'm looking for that panic. Did not happen under 265. It might happen if we go for 265 breakdown again because people are buying this 265 dip. If not, I'm gonna exit, guys. Like it was worth holding. Yeah, new buyers are coming into the picture, guys. I can show you on the book map as well. Like you guys can see the software I use, like these new buyers at 265, 265.2. Not huge, 10,000, 13,000, not like big buyers. But yeah, we have like new buyers coming into the picture. Even though they are not big, they still have an effect on the market. For Tesla, every stock has different, yeah, I'm gonna exit, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna exit, guys. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it for the day because let's see. I mean, if you break down under 265, I might take another trade, but yeah, for now, I think I'm done. Let's see the end result. And overall on this trade, I made $11,000. My investment was actually high. Like it was approximately 3.8. Like even though the trade idea worked out, that's what happens when the market is also selling off, guys. So I'm actually going to open my OBS now. So this is what happens when the market is actually selling off. The premiums get expensive, so your percentage reward goes down. So the VIX goes up. So option premiums, you are paying more for the premiums. So your percentage reward actually comes down until and unless you see like crazy panic going on in the market, you might actually not make a lot of the percentage of your investment. So yep, guys, hope you enjoyed this live trading. If you did, let me know in the comment section below because it takes a lot of effort to speak actually while trading. But if you guys like it, as I told you, it's my passion to succeed on YouTube. I want to get 200,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And yeah, day trading is real. You guys will see right here. I made $11,000. There is no red bar. This is actually live account. I can even log in and show you again. But yeah, I can move around this window. I mean, it's live, right? And then yeah, Tesla puts. You can see my entries. You can see my exits. Everything is right there in front of you. Day trading is possible. Even though in my head I was like, if it actually moves, I'm gonna make $30,000 to $40,000 because I invested $60,000 approximately on this position, but the premiums did not move really well. You guys saw that in real time. But personally, I did a good job managing the position, and that's what you can do as a trader. You can't control how the premiums move. You can't control the stock market. You can't control what the stock is gonna do. The only thing under your control is where you enter and where you exit. So yeah, thank you for watching. Again, let me know in the comment section below if you guys like these kind of videos. If yes, I'm gonna make more of these videos. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.